Day 3, the index fund, an ETF, your simple vehicle. Yesterday, we discovered the index, the measuring tape for the entire marketplace. We learned that the most powerful strategy is not to pick individual winning stocks, but to own the entire market. But how do you practically own a tiny piece of hundreds or even thousands of companies? The answer is our gift for today, the index fund. An index fund is the simple, elegant vehicle that turns the abstract concept of an index into a reality you can own. Let's return to our metaphor of the vast marketplace. Buying every single stall individually would be an impossible task, requiring immense time, effort, and money. An index fund solves this. Imagine a trusted cooperative is formed. This cooperative's sole purpose is to own a single, complete share of every stall in the marketplace, precisely mirroring the index. Then it offers you and other investors the chance to buy shares of the cooperative itself. When you buy one share of this cooperative, you are not buying a piece of one stall. You are buying a tiny fractional piece of every single stall in the entire market. That is precisely what an index fund does. It is a pooled investment vehicle that automatically holds all the stocks in a specific index, like the S&P 500. You buy a single share of the fund, and you instantly own a small diversified piece of all 500 companies. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is simply a type of index fund that trades on a stock exchange like a regular stock, making it incredibly easy to buy and sell. This mechanism delivers two monumental advantages. The first is instant diversification. With one transaction, you have spread your risk across the entire economy. The failure of any one company becomes a negligible event in your portfolio. The second is profound cost efficiency. Because the fund is run by a computer that simply mirrors a public index, it doesn't need to pay teams of highly paid analysts to pick stocks. This results in incredibly low fees, which, as we will soon see, is one of the most critical ingredients for long-term wealth creation. The index fund is the humble, reliable workhorse of the sensible investor. It is the democratization of market ownership, allowing anyone with even a small amount of capital to participate in the growth of global business. You are no longer a stock picker. You are an owner of a vast collective enterprise. Tomorrow, we will confront the single greatest threat to this powerful engine, the silent, relentless drag of high fees. Thank you.